Xavier, are you doing your most favorite thing at Nana's house? What'd you find? Oh no, what'd you find? Patented what? Plus convenience? Hey, look at Nana. What are you doing? Are you digging in your favorite drawer? You know, you gotta pick your battles. Look what you found. I didn't even know there was any of that in there. Yeah, you did a good job. Can you tell me bye-bye? Can you tell me bye-bye? Say bye-bye, camera. Where are you going? You're so funny. You want to see it? Look. There. We're looking at it. That's our mess. And there you are.